Hi, my name is Laura and my hobby is to dance music from South Korea. This is the K-pop and I am going to show you some basic steps of the song Forever Young of Blackpink. A group of 4 girls will debut in the year 2016 and we are going to start. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, repeat. 8. Right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, repeat. 8. Up. 1, 2, down. 3, 4, right. 5, 6, left. 7, 8. Now with a sleep music. Come on. Now with normal music. I hope you liked it. Bye! Repeat. 1, 2, right, left. Repeat. Up. 1, 2, down. 3, 4, right, 6, 7, left, 8.